Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win more games in 8-ball pool. Practice aiming precisely to consistently pocket balls. Develop skills to control the cue ball's position for the next shot. Think several shots ahead to position yourself for future shots and set up for easy clears. Learn how to topspin, backspin, and side spin effect cue ball movement and use them strategically. Analyze the table layout to identify the best sequence of shots. Master bank shots to reach difficult to access balls. Play defensively by leaving your opponent with difficult shots or no clear shots. Regular practice improves your accuracy, consistency, and understanding of the game. Play within your skill level to avoid overestimating or underestimating your abilities. Stay calm and focus to make rational decisions rather than emotional ones. Study videos of professional 8-ball pool matches to learn advanced techniques and strategies. Use cues with higher stats for better performance, especially in critical matches. Log in daily to collect free coins, spins, or scratch cards for chances to win cues, upgrades, or coins. Practice in tournaments to challenge yourself against skilled opponents and earn bigger rewards. Take advantage of the spin and win feature to earn additional coins, cash, or cue upgrades. Vary your shot's power based on the distance and the force needed to pocket balls accurately. Always call for intended pocket for the 8th ball to avoid losing the game on a technicality. Understand common cue ball patterns to plan your runs more effectively. Develop your ability to make long-distance shots by adjusting aim and power. Experiment with different break techniques to consistently make balls and control the table. Use the guideline to aid your aiming, especially for bank shots or tricky angles. In 9-ball, focus on sinking ball in numerical order to control the game flow. Take time to line up each shot carefully. And that's how to win more games in 8-ball pool. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.